Hey everyone, it's been a really exciting week here on Simmer Down, and no, I'm not talking about cooking. I'm talking about this little guy. Meet the newest addition to my family. That's all I got. We don't have a name yet, so if you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments because I could really use the help. But say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody. Oh, and we also have a brand new recipe up next on Simmer Down. That's right, another week, another all-new recipe, and this week is sure to delight as we make Halloween bark. Alright, to get started on our tasty bark, you're going to take 24 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips, pop them in the microwave until they melt. And once our chocolate is melted, get it out of the microwave, give it a good mix to make sure everything's melted down well. We want to take a cookie sheet, any size will work. We're going to line our cookie sheet with wax paper. Then we're going to take our melted chocolate, pour it onto our wax paper, spread it out. And once we've spread our chocolate into a nice bottom layer, now is when it's really going to get fun. So we're going to start decorating it. We're going to take some mini marshmallows, plop them onto the chocolate. Then you might want to take some candy corn, scatter that on our chocolate. No sugar at all in this recipe. We're going to take some pretzel sticks and maybe break them in half, scatter these onto our bark as well. Then you may want to throw on some peanuts. I'm only going to do half peanuts, so our friends who can't have peanuts can have some of this bark. As a side note, if you haven't tried candy corn and peanuts together, very, very tasty. I know candy corn can get a little sweet, maybe even a little waxy, but if you combine it with peanuts, it almost tastes like there's a nougat. It's a nougat candy bar with the peanuts around it. It's really, really tasty. I can't take credit for that. Shout out to the Narlock family from Wisconsin for that recipe, for that tip. It's a great dry mix. So get a big candy corn, get some peanuts, and mix it together. You will not be disappointed. And of course, the possibilities are endless. Any kind of sugary or salty snack that you could think of, you could always try throwing on the bark. But I think we're good with what we have on here right now. And once we've finished decorating the bark, we're gonna pop it in the fridge for a few hours, and then we're gonna come back and check on it. And while we wait, my other little puppy, Bailey, was feeling left out that all the other dogs got a shout out in this week's episode, so he wanted to come and say hi to all the lovely people at home too, so say hi, lovely people. Say hi, lovely people. And after about 2 hours, we're going to get our bark out of the refrigerator. Get our bark off of our cookie sheet. Put that aside. Break off different sizes and shapes of bark. And we have a delicious confection that looks like that. Very simple. This is a very simple, very quick recipe. The moment we wait for it, how does it taste? Oh, that's really good. Try this for Halloween. I think you're really going to enjoy it. That's going to do it for us this week on Simmer Down. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week with the puppies. I don't know where they are. They're all over the place.
Puppy, no.
Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you later. Bye, everybody.